Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. I'm Spike and we're back in the van. This is like a part 2 of the yesterday's video because I didn't have enough daylight to finish it. And it was already a barely long video, so I just ended up editing it, finishing it this morning, and uploading it for you guys. Today we are going back into depth what we were doing yesterday. Yesterday we were working on the backup camera and a whole bunch of other stuff, but figured we'd get that done since I mentioned we were going to do it today, the last episode. So today we're going to get it done. So now I've got the fish thing, this Klein's fish thing. It's like 25 feet, and I decided that I was going to see if I could fish it through here. So far so good. Now I've got it taped up and we're just gonna pull it through.
We could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush through, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know, all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5.
So I ended up drilling a hole right here, putting a pass-through gland thing, waterproof. So that's waterproof. Put a little bead of non-sag sealant around here because I noticed there's a big massive gap, so that might have been a reason why there was a bunch of dust in the back of the car. Mounted the camera, she's all good to go. So now we're going to move on to the next spot. I just taped up the wiring. I'm going to probably figure out what I'm going to do with it, or I'm just going to leave it hanging there. And then we'll insulate that later. And then we're going to move on to hooking up this power cable to the reverse lights, which is right here. So we'll hijack power from there. And then once that's done, we'll start running the cord all the way to the front, which is going to be fun. And then we'll probably pull back the headliner a little bit and then mount it up in that top corner there. If we have enough cable, maybe we'll mount it over here. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out in a minute.
Don't you think we could be different if we could just take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows, feel the wind rush through, hear the music, take the groove. Don't you know, all I'll ever really wanna be is a connected high. You and I, pinnacle, climactic vibe. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. You don't have to pretend we're shy. Let's forget the 9 to 5. I just wanna feel alive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the windows.
Okay, so what I've got going on is I've routed a power cable from the battery to a junction box. What I've got going on here is I've got 2 wires coming up. I'm going to add a third one here pretty soon. These 2 wires come up to here, and I've got 2 buttons hooked up. And what I've got going on here is I'm going to hook up 6 USB ports into the dashboard. So I've got everything ready and crimped and ready to go. All I have to do is cut some holes in the dashboard and start mounting everything, putting some screws and everything in. So once I'm done that, I will come back to you guys and show you what I've got done. And then at the same time, I'm gonna run a power cable from here all the way over down to here. And then once that's done, then the backup camera, my USB bricks, my permanently USB mounted permanent bricks will be put into the dashboard. So once I'm done that, I'll get back to you. Okay, I've been working all day. I've been put over 7 hours to this project, getting this reverse camera set up. Now, it wasn't just running a cable. I also did a few other things like USB ports and a fuse block, running a specific cable for the fuse block. So there's a couple other projects I was doing in the meantime, but everything's hooked up and ready to go. Let's see if it works. All right, there it is. Now I'm gonna put it in reverse. Boom! It works! Yeah! And it turns off. And it works! Yeah! Alright, guys. That was a long project. Alright, guys. That was a long project. And I'm done for today. There's not much else I can do with not having much light. But I think I'm just gonna tidy up and get this last little bit stuff put away, and tomorrow we will get right back into it. Now I have this USB port here, which is actually charging my phone. Now we're gonna mount it in the dash. That's my project for tomorrow. Probably won't record that part. I'm just gonna zip it up with the Dremel, get it all done, and once that's done, I'll put it in, and then I will show you guys in the next episode of my little USB port plug-in slash. We've also got this little switch panel. Only 2 are being used at the moment, but we'll hook up some light bars and stuff to that, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys liked what you saw, I know this was kind of a short episode today, but tomorrow we're gonna have a bunch more projects to go. It's just got like a little pile of stuff over here that I've got to clean up, and we'll get on to the next project. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.
Let's forget the world outside, turn it up to overdrive. Take it slow, let it go, roll down all the way.